This is a message from N2SA. Every year, thousands of sheep are systematically abused across England, Scotland and Wales. The abusers are often their own masters. But you can help. With just £2 a month, you can help us take more sheep out of suffering. Thousands of sheep have already been saved and taken to our shelter where they are safe. Our shelter can provide them with counselling and a basic education. Sheep don't have a voice, but together we can put an end to sheep abuse. So please, call us on 0800 242 1234 or visit us at notosheepabuse.org. The only thing you should be putting on is a woolly sweater. Thank you.